Have you ever wondered how a message sent from India reaches America in just a few seconds? When you open a website, watch a YouTube video, or send a message to someone in another country, the data travels across the world almost instantly. Many people think this happens through satellites in space. While satellites do play a role in communication, the truth is that most of the world's internet does not travel through space at all. Instead, it travels through cables laid deep under the ocean. These cables are known as submarine internet cables, and they are responsible for carrying about 95% of the world's international internet traffic. Thousands of kilometers of these cables are spread across the ocean floor, connecting continents and countries. They form a huge hidden network that allows us to communicate, watch videos, and access information from anywhere in the world. Submarine cables are made using fiber optic technology. Inside the cable are very thin strands of glass called optical fibers. Data travels through these fibers in the form of light signals. When you send a message or load a web page, your device converts the information into digital signals. These signals are then converted into pulses of light that travel through the fiber cables at extremely high speeds. The journey of your internet data usually starts from your device, such as your phone or computer. The data first travels through local internet networks to your internet service provider. From there, it moves through land-based fiber optic networks until it reaches a special facility near the coast called a cable landing station. This station is where the underwater cable begins. Once the data enters the submarine cable, it travels across the ocean floor. These cables can stretch for thousands of kilometers between continents. For example, some cables connect Asia to Europe, while others connect America to Africa or Australia. Even though the cables are very long, the data moves through them extremely fast, almost at the speed of light. However, sending data across such long distances requires special technology. Along the cable, there are devices called repeaters placed at regular intervals. These repeaters boost the light signals so that the data does not become weak while traveling long distances under the ocean. Without these repeaters, the signals would fade before reaching the other side of the world. You might think these cables are very thick and heavily protected, but in deep ocean areas they are often only about the thickness of a garden hose. In shallow areas near the coast, they are covered with extra protective layers to prevent damage from ship anchors, fishing equipment, or other human activities. In some places, the cables are even buried under the seabed for additional protection. Despite these protections, submarine cables can sometimes get damaged. Earthquakes, underwater landslides, or fishing activities can break them. When that happens, special repair ships are sent to locate the damaged section and fix it. Engineers use advanced equipment to pull the cable from the ocean floor, repair it, and place it back underwater. Building and maintaining these cables is a huge global effort. Many technology companies and telecommunications providers invest billions of dollars to build new submarine cable systems. These systems are essential because the modern world depends heavily on fast and reliable internet connections. So the next time you send a message, watch a video, or browse a website, remember that your data might be traveling thousands of kilometers under the ocean through tiny glass fibers. Hidden beneath the waves is a vast network of cables silently carrying the world's information every second. This incredible underwater infrastructure is what keeps our digital world connected. Without submarine internet cables, global communication, online services, and even international business would not work the way they do today. The internet may feel invisible, but beneath the oceans lies the powerful network that makes it all possible.